How to check fuel fill and drain reports. To get started, navigate to the side menu, click on the Reports module, select Fuel, and then click on Fill Drain. On the right-hand panel, you can filter your data. Click on Date Selection to choose your timeline. To view reports for a specific period, click on Custom Range. Select your desired start and end dates from the calendar, then hit Apply. Once your dates are set, click the green Apply button at the bottom of the filter panel to load the report. The main dashboard will display a detailed summary of your vehicles. Click the plus icon next to a specific vehicle to expand its individual fuel event logs. Here, you can review precise data including event start and end times, locations, odometer readings, and fuel levels before and after each event. To view this data visually, scroll to the far right of the row and click the graph icon. This opens an interactive fuel chart. Hovering over any peak or drop on the line graph gives you a real-time data breakdown, such as fuel percentage, drainage info, and battery status. You can download this chart directly or look at the bottom left corner to export the complete detailed summary as an Excel sheet, PDF, or CSV file. Clicking on any log location also pulls up a map view showing you exactly where the vehicle was during that specific fuel event. How to check fuel consumption reports. Next, let's look at fuel consumption. Go back to the Reports menu, select Fuel, and click on Fuel Consumption. Just like before, head over to the right panel, select Custom Range from the Date dropdown, choose your calendar dates, and click Apply on both the calendar and the filter window. The system will generate a detailed log breakdown organized by date. This gives you clear insights into total fuel consumed, distance covered, fuel wasted due to idling, and even carbon emissions. Scroll to the bottom of the page to export this data. You can download a quick summary or a comprehensive report with full details in your preferred format. Utilizing the fuel dashboard and real-time alerts. For a quick, high-level overview of your active fleet, head back to the side menu, click Fuel, and open the Fuel dashboard. Select your vehicles from the list and hit Apply. The dashboard instantly generates intuitive gauges showing current diesel levels and the precise location of each asset. You can easily add more vehicles to this view at any time by selecting them from the filter panel and refreshing the page. To stay on top of critical events, click the bell icon on the top header. Here, you will receive real-time notifications for fuel refills, power disconnections, or overspeeding, allowing you to instantly track the vehicle's exact position. Live tracking and alert management. Finally, let's see how fuel management integrates with live tracking. Head to the Tracking module and select a vehicle. The map interface displays live telemetry, including real-time speed, ignition status, and current fuel levels. By expanding the Fuel tab in the Information panel, you can monitor tank capacity, current fuel remaining, and consumption rates on the go. If you need to investigate past issues, click on the Alerts tab. This provides an audit trail of high-severity events like fuel refills, complete with timestamps and locations, ensuring complete transparency for your fleet operations.